Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have our Amazon. We haven't done Amazon in a bit. We tend to do it here and there. But we have the spring sales, big spring sales going on. Big spring sale going on at Amazon. And there's some really good deals. So I wanted to make sure the HARBROs are aware. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And let's just go ahead and jump in and go over all the deals. So just as a reminder, starting with, well, I'll go over the process. First, we have Klein Tools Precision Driver Kit. It's 49% claimed already. Big spring sale, 30% off, down to $31.49. Now, to explain a little bit of the process. So this is the best price on Amazon. What I do before these videos, I'll go on. I'm not affiliated with it in any way. It's a website, Camel. And I go through it and search only for the best deals, best price on Amazon history. I'll check the graph, and here specifically for this Klein Tools Precision Driver Kit, it has 4 years of history where the price is averaged $48. And you can see it in the graph, and it's down to its lowest price in Amazon history, down to $31.49, and that's how I verify the deals. That's why I put this on here. Links will be in the description. Yes, I do earn affiliate commission, but you don't have to use my link. You can just go through the website. But this is the best price on Amazon history, so great deal. I'm going to go through one more example, and then the rest you can just assume that I've looked them up. But of course you can look it up again because the link will be in the description as well as all the links to all the products. But there's some great deals. And this is the first one, Klein Tools. We all love Klein, $31.49. Great deal. Next, Gearwrench. 25-piece, 3/8" drive, pass-through ratchet and socket set. This is a nice looking set from Gearwrench. $33.47. Big spring sale moniker, 32% off. We will look at the price history to this as well. And you can see price fluctuation from roughly, what is that? Just below $40. Only about a year history though. So that's why we verify these deals. A little less than a year of history. The lowest it had gone is about $38, but everything else it fluctuated, averaged about $50. But here we are again, down at the bottom. Latest deal, $33.74. Best price on Amazon. Great deal. Gearwrench, we love it. And the rest we'll just go through. Klein Tools again. 3-piece compact folding hex key set metric SAE torque sizes. 25 keys. Industrial strength heat treated alloy steel metric SAE and torques. Square cut ends. $19.98. Again, 90-day low price. 33% off. Great get. Gearwrench again, 34-piece standard and stubby. Big spring sale, 18% off, $97.98. Now, I do believe these were a little bit lower once in their years of history, but this is close, $97.98. 34-piece SAE and metric standard and stubby. Sounds like how I am described, but great deal. Gearwrench again. Energizer batteries, the 2032 batteries, 10-pack. 3-volt lithium coin batteries with 3-in-1 child shield, 63% off, down to $6.95. If you're going to pick up some batteries, need some, have some, these are the ones to get. $6.95. Best price on Amazon, huge discount. Then we have the Resqhammer Ultimate Safety Hammer, Seatbelt Cutter, Window Breaker, Emergency Family, Car Escape Tool, Portable and Compact Yellow, 90-day low price, $9.95. And you don't have to get this one, but these, I guess just maybe peace of mind if you ever need it, just have it in your car. Can cut through a seatbelt, break a glass, $9.95. Just put it somewhere that's in hand's reach. And we have Craftsman. I think I've done a Craftsman in a while. So here's the 20-volt RP. They're brushless. We actually have these. Cordless driver and impact driver kit with work light. And actually these include 2 batteries and the charger and a bag. Because I used to see this. They've bundled it different. This is the lowest price on Amazon. But now they include a bag and a second battery, if they didn't already. But it's at $140, 30% off. That's the best price. But then there is a coupon here, and we'll look at the terms. 30% off with this coupon. Apply at checkout. And I'm not sure, but you can give it a shot. $97.51 if you use the coupon. That's crazy for 2 batteries, a charger, a bag, and then, of course, both tools. Great deal. I like me some Craftsman. Gearwrench again, the 1/4" drive. 120 XP full polish chrome teardrop ratchet. Big spring sale, 23% off, down to $23.41. Again, I know the HARBROs are Gearwrench fans. More Gearwrench again. This is the 2-piece 1/2" breaker bar set. Part of the big spring sale, 25% off, down to $25.45 for 2 breaker bars. It's $12 a piece. That's Pittsburgh level of discounts. Then we have the Gearwrench Chrome Stubby Flex Head Teardrop Ratchet, 3/8" drive, 120 XP, 31% off, down to $31 even. That's sounding pretty comparable for a stubby wrench to ones we've seen. Then we have Astro Tool. This is the extra long flex head nano socket wrench, ratchet wrench. I feel like this was popular a few months ago or maybe a year ago when it was on sale. A lot of the HARBROs bought it when it was here on sale on Amazon. Well, it's there again, $25, lowest price on Amazon history. We keep going. More Klein tools, impact driver set, 20-in-1, SAE impact rated sockets and screwdriver tool with Phillips slotted square and Torx tips, down to $25.98, lowest price in 90 days, 35% off. And we have Akro-Mils 44 drawer plastic drawer storage cabinet for garage organization, 34% claimed. It's 31% off, down to $31.25. Good deal on some storage. We have DeWalt, the 20-volt max XR brushless cordless 4.5" to 5" variable speed paddle switch grinder tool only, down to $190, 27% off. Again, 90-day low price on Amazon. There's some good deals going on. We keep going. DeWalt again. This is 87% claimed, so this might be done soon. 87% claimed, $118.77, lowest price on Amazon. DeWalt dust separator with 10-gallon stainless steel tank, 99.5% efficiency cyclone dust collector, high performance cycle powder collector filter. Look at that. Big spring sale, 17% off. Believe it's a good deal. I have Astro Tools again. The 14-piece half-inch drive, 17 to 30 millimeter low profile nano impact socket set, no skips, 16% off, $52.99. Again, lowest price on Amazon. And with Bosch, professional wall scanner, multi-function stud finder, and live wire detector for electricians, plumbers, and contractors. $49 even. Big spring sale. Normally $100, 51% off. Bosch is pretty good. Then move away from tools a little bit. Pit Boss 6-quart cast iron roaster with lid. 36% claimed right now, 47% off, $31.24. Normally $60 for this 6-quart cast iron roaster with lid. There's some good random deals going on Amazon. EBL 200-watt portable solar panel for power station with MC4 Anderson output connector for RV camping. Blackout $122. It says 11% off, but it is the lowest price in Amazon history. We keep going. I am a big fan of Hydro Flask. I have these as my personal carry hydrator. It's Hydro Flask water bottle, insulated stainless steel with wide straw lid, non-spill, leak-proof, and 40-ounce oat tan. 40% off. Lowest price in 90 days, $29.99. Great deal. And then also the 24-ounce in agave green, $24, 40% off. I think there's 40% off on most of the Hydro Flask, but these two great deals if you need a carry that's going to keep your items either hot or cold. Hydro Flask, you could do a lot worse. Then for the Little Tykes, some Little Tykes Creative Construction Toolbox set with 9 accessories. Get them going on their tool journey. 9 accessories per template, construction set for boys and girls 3 years and older, 50% off, $11.49. Crazy deal. Stock up on a give somewhere. That's $12. A crazy deal. Then Mattel Minecraft Pixel Spyglass toy, pixelating viewing lens, kid size accessory for roleplay games. 6% off it says, but it is a 90-day low price. $5.29, $15.29. And we'll look at that. Amazon now does have its price history. I feel like they watched a few of my videos and are like, hey, this guy goes over price history. Let's just put price history because people want to see it. Don't let them go away from our website. And it shows 90 days. Actually, it does show that it was around $15. And then pre-spring sale, it went up in price just so they can reduce it. But still, lowest price that it's been on Amazon history. Pentel. And again, if you've seen these Amazon videos here and there from me, you know I'm a big fan of Pentel. Pencils and pens. Here's the Energel Expression 60th Anniversary Limited Edition Pack. Ice Liquid Gel Pens. 0.7 millimeters. medium line assorted ink, pack of 8, 33% off, big spring sale, $11.32. I love Pentel. Again, Pentel twin checker dual tip highlighter chisel tip assorted colors, pack of 4, $6, 21% off. And then just found this deal crazy. If you're a size 8.5 in men, New Balance men's fresh foam 520 V9 running shoe, 61% off at $27.28. So if you know anybody who is a size 8.5, crazy deal on some New Balance shoes. And we finish it with Amazon Fire TV. I just always see these as such a crazy deal. They're 40% off right now, 50-inch. It's the newest model, 4K Ultra HD Smart TV with Alexa remote, fast processor, Dolby Audio, ambient experience, free and live TV, find shows faster with Alexa Plus. Big spring sale. If you're already in the Amazon environment, if I had a need for a TV and my other TV still didn't work, for 50-inch for $240, that's a crazy deal. So just want to make everybody aware. And I will leave it at that. Hopefully the HARBROs and HARBROettes find these Amazon videos useful. Great deals that I figured we couldn't skip on and had to let you know so you can get a chance to get them. But either way, I'll leave it at that. Happy Amazoning. Happy Harbor Freighting as always. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.